Welcome to my daily coding tutor YouTube channel. In today's topic, we are discussing on the class in Java and its types and uses. The class in Java, its types and uses. A class in Java is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines field variables and method functions that describes the behavior and properties of the object. A class in Java is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the method variables and method functions that describes the behavior and state of the object. The class acts as a template, allowing multiple objects to share the same properties and behavior. Now let's see the syntax of a class in Java. We have Java class name, open braces, comment, field, open brackets, variables, close brackets, int number, semicolon, string name, semicolon, comment, constructor, class name, open bracket, int number, comma, int name, bracket close, open braces, this dot number equals to number, semicolon, this dot name equals to name, semicolon, close bracket. Then we have another one, comment. We have method, void display, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, system.out.println, open bracket, number plus number plus number, comma, name plus name, bracket close, semicolon, close braces, close braces. This is the syntax in class of Java. Now let's look into the types of classes in Java. The types of classes in Java. Java has several types of classes. The first one here is the concrete class. The concrete class. The concrete class is a regular class that can be instantiated to create objects. Concrete class is a normal class that can be instantiated. That is, objects can be created from it. Now let's see the example. We have the Java class animal, open braces, void make sound, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, system.out.println, open bracket, animal makes a sound, close bracket, semicolon, close braces, close braces. The second one here under the type of classes in Java is the abstract class. The abstract class is a class that cannot be instantiated. The concrete can be instantiated, but the abstract class cannot be instantiated and may contain abstract method, that is, method without a body. The abstract contains method without a body that must be implemented in child classes. It cannot be instantiated directly. The example, we have Java abstract class vehicle, open braces, abstract void start, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, comment, abstract method, open bracket, no body, close bracket. We have the other one, the void stop, open bracket, close bracket, open braces. We have the system.out.println, open bracket, vehicle stopped, close bracket, open braces, close braces, close braces. Now the third one under the type of classes in Java, we have the interface. The interface is not a class but similar to an abstract class. It only contains method declaration without the body. It is not a class but is similar to abstract class, and it only contains method declarations without bodies. Now let's look at the example. We have the Java interface animal, open bracket, we have the void make sounds, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, comment, method without a body, close braces. The next one here is the static class, also known as nested static class. Static class, also known as nested static class. A static nested class that belongs to an outer class but does not depend on an instance of it. The static class is a class that declared inside another class. without the static keyword. It can be accessed without creating an instance of the outer class. Now let's look at the example. We have the Java class outer, open braces, static class nested, open braces, void displayed, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, system.out.println, open bracket, inside nested static class, close bracket, semicolon, close braces, close braces. The fifth one is the final class. The final class. The final class is a class marked as final, cannot be inherited by other class. It cannot be inherited by other class, cannot be extended by any other class. It is used to prevent modification in a base class. Now let's see the example. We have the Java final class constant, open braces, static final double p1 is equals to 3.14159 semicolon, close braces. The sixth one we are going to look into is the anonymous class. Under the type of classes in Java, the sixth one we are looking into now is the anonymous class. The anonymous class is a class without a name, used for quick one-time use. This class is a class without a name, often used for quick implementations like event handling. Now let's look at the examples. We have the Java abstract class shape, open braces, abstract void draw, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close braces. We have the public class main, open braces, public static void main, open bracket, string, open bracket, close bracket, the args or args, close bracket, open braces. We have the shape circle equals to new shape, open bracket, close bracket, open braces. Comment, anonymous class, void draw, open bracket, close bracket, close braces, open braces. System.out.println, open bracket, drawing cycle, close bracket, semicolon, close braces, semicolon, circle.draw, open bracket, close bracket, semicolon, close bracket, close bracket, close braces, close braces, close braces. The seventh one is the inner class. The inner class. The inner class is a class inside another class. That is why it is called inner class. It is inside another class. It is a class that is defined within another class, but it requires an instance of the outer class to be used. You have the examples. You have the Java class outer, open braces, class inner, open braces, void show, open bracket, close bracket, open braces, system.out.println, open bracket, inside inner class, close bracket, semicolon, close braces, close braces. Now let's look into the uses of classes in Java. The uses of classes in Java. The first one here is the encapsulation. The encapsulation is a bundle data and method together. It bundles data and method together. It helps bundle data and method to work together. The second one here is the code reusability. The code reusability can be reused through or via inheritance. It allows object-oriented design where one class can be reused in multiple times. The third one here is the abstraction. The abstraction hides implementation details from the users. It hides the implementation details and provides a clean interface. The fourth one here is the polymorphism. The polymorphism enable method overriding and method overloading. Polymorphism enable method overriding and method overloading. The fifth one here is the modularity. The modularity organizes the code into separate units for maintainability. It organizes the code into separate units for maintainability. So this is where I'm going to stop for today. Thanks for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.